Hello again, my audience. This is your guide, Daniel, for this another video at this garage thing. And today is still May 22nd, 2023. It's a good thing I spotted. We haven't done this video about like 2 or 3 weeks. It's been like a while. Maybe gonna put some gold card in it. Who knows? I wouldn't miss anything in the world. And boy, it smells like maybe barbecue or something. Yep. And here they are. Roll it, Jinx. Look at this right now. They're just doing some work in there. It's a good thing we spotted it, and today's about in the mid-70s, as long as it's not upper 80s or anything. They're shoveling some pieces back in there. They're fixing up the thing. And look at that, having a conversation. It was pretty good the other day with the soapbox derby. I don't see putting all the derby things in there. That's why they couldn't put any of it, because they still in the processing of like the construction. We've been doing this for nearly 5 months since I started this series since January 2nd of this year. If it keeps it up, we'll be near the first 6 months. You on camera now. So folks, I hope you enjoyed this little update video at the garage. And please comment or subscribe to ring the bell if you like this video or previous videos about this series. And I'll see you next time for more updates. In the meantime, your cameraman, Daniel Drupsky, signing off. And I hope you enjoyed this video or the other things that we did in the past since January 2nd. You just take care, enjoy the videos. Goodbye and good luck.